Welcome back to Nice Japanese Cookie Video. And today we're gonna make some Pillsbury cookies. So hot. Anyways, first you're gonna need a pan. Now you're gonna need to put your aluminum foil on there. Come on. Good. Now what you're going to need is you're going to open your cookies. Look at it, it's a big, huge traffic light. Okay, now you're gonna need is to, that's the special part. Now you're gonna cut it with your pizza cutter. She show you, Brandy, do da. Cut the pizza up. Move those cookies. Cookies. Cut the fucking cookies. Clap. Come on. Shit. Now, put them mashed together.
And by the way, guys, I think Nishi's trying to make good food for once.
I am. Yeah. Ooh, cooks, dick. Good. You think they're ready yet? No, we're missing the best ingredient. We're gonna spice up a little bit the gayness. All right, Joanne, this is your side. I mean, this is your side.
Give me the ones that do not have sprinkles.
Okay, so these are my side then. Just make sure you smash in the sprinkles in there. It's gonna be good. Fuck. Oh, this one needs a little more sprinkles. Watch the scotch. Made a bigger cookie.
I don't know if this is such a good idea, but okay.
Well, I host the chef here.
Alright, jeez.
The extra gay sprinkle. Extra gay cookie, I mean.
Alright.
Oh, the stove oven's ready. All right. Now, we're gonna put them in. And we're gonna set the timer until 14 minutes. There we go. And we'll be back in 14 minutes. See you, catch you on. I need to go take a shit. All right, time went off. Cookies are done. Who wants the? Let me just bring them over here. She got some sheet.
Woohoo! Cookies.
Look at that. Just a hot. Some cake.
Yeah, and you should put sprinkles on them, and never gay.
Good. That's what we want.
No.
Yeah, we do.
Shut up.
All right. No. We're not talking. You don't talk. You don't talk.
Great.
Don't talk to me.
No whipped cream.
Don't want whipped cream? Okay.
Yeah, you can have it. Give me all my cookies.
There.
Woohoo! Good try.
Don't even worry about cutting. I don't feel like it. All right. I'm gonna taste my gay cookie now. All right. Here we go. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Would you like some milk?
Yeah.
All right. Mmm. Yeah.
Can I taste a gay cookie?
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Real good. Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Yeah.
That's even better than the hot dog.
There you go. Wash this. Watch this. You dip your milk in cookies. Look at that.
Oh, I'm gonna take a few more. Those are really good.
Yep.
I'm impressed. You got some really good cooking there.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah. All right, sir.
Don't take our. I want some of yours too.
Hey, no!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
You have your gay ones.
There.
Give me a gay one.
Oh, you want a gay one? Yeah, sure. Take most of the game.
Give me a straw.
I want some dipped cookie. Look. You just I ate it backwards. You're supposed to eat it backwards.
Okay.
You're fucking strong, baby. I'm sorry.
Cool. Yeah, I do.
There you go. You see me?
Of course.
I'll show a cook. Yeah.
Perfect. Great job.
Thanks, babe. I mean, thank you. Film guy.
All right.
Where we go?
Please eat this.
Boy, I don't care. Really good. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Delicious.
Well, I need some water. I'm thirsty. Well, thanks for watching Chef Nishkri. I'm glad you were here for it, and peace. So good.